So this box showed up today, and I'm not exactly sure what's in it. It's neon tubes from Ape, it's a bag, it's some tripods, but I don't really know much about any of these things. So I thought we'd open the box together and check it out. I'll do a full demo video on this stuff later, I'm sure. But yeah, for now, let's just see what's in this box. I am curious. Well, I try not to cut myself with this knife. I think I need a sharper knife. This knife is starting to feel kind of dull. All right. Yep, I definitely need a sharper knife. Not getting in here like I want to. I know it's always fun to watch you struggle with things. Hopefully you find it somewhat entertaining. All right. Now, the good news is the box is open. Got some packing materials here on top. We'll just kind of put over here. And it looks like what we have here are boxes within boxes. And the weird part is that I really don't have anywhere to set this stuff down to show it to you. Which makes it even more fun. All right. I thought this out so well when I decided to do this unboxing video. Let's just take a look at what we can look at here. We've got this long box here, and I kind of betting there's a tube in it. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a light in this box. If I can get this box to cooperate. It's packed very well, by the way. Better be. It's coming from a long way. All right. Wow, this is packed incredibly well. Holy crap. There we go. This is a neon tube. I believe these are kind of the Ape's answer to the Astera. Is that what it's called? The lights that a lot of people are using, that movie production companies use, and photographers. They're flicker free. Let's see if there's any power in them at all. I'll press the power button. Yeah, there is. So they light up. They're dim, but they do light up. So here's one. It's got a magnet on it, so just for fun, we'll stick it there. One light. And let's see here. So in this box, this is packaged a little different. What do we have? Same thing, I just opened the box differently. Another tube. So there's an easier way to open these boxes, I'm discovering. Anything to make it easier is good. There we go. Whoa! Come back, buddy. There we go. Got a pile of packing materials I got to deal with. Okay, here is tube number 2. We'll stick it right there. Got a little QR code here I can scan for more information. There. There's stuff wrapped up in bubble wrap too. We'll get to that. Let's get these big boxes first. It's like I might have 6 of these in total. These at the bottom are going to be harder to get out. There we go. So let's do the method where I open the ends, both ends of this box, which I think is the way forward. Then I can open them here. Wow, the Germans, the way they design stuff, huh? They even thought of me. All I had to do was pay attention to what was going on. another tube. They have safety eyes on them too. Okay, out away you go. Now, I thought there was more in this shipment than just the tubes, so that means that there must be another box coming. That's okay. But I believe that in the end, there's going to be some tripods involved in a carrying bag, which I don't see in this box right now. I'm thinking what's here are 6 very well packed neon tubes and some accessories. Let's get all the tubes unpacked. This is an unboxing video after all, so we're going to unbox things. Okay. Some of you are really having fun with this. Some of you are like, dude, this is the worst video ever. But you know what? It's a video. I have things to do today. And this came, so I thought, hey, let's just do a quick video on it. But it's getting faster. That's the good news. Man, do I have a pile of stuff on the floor. Tube 5. Tube 5. Right there. And one more tube. So stay tuned for those bags and tripods and stuff. We'll open those up when they come. And I'm not sure when they're going to come. They could come this weekend, they could come next week, or separate shipment at any rate, for whatever reason. Okay, our final tube right here. So what else is in this box? That's a really good question. We should have a look at that. To do that, let me take this stuff out. All right. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, here, I think I can. If I grab these things like this, then kind of just shove this box out of the way. There we go. Okay, now we've got a couple things on the table we can look at. We can unwrap and check out. They're wrapped in bubble wrap very well, like things are when they take a long journey. All right. Here. My dull knife. Okay, this is a remote control, an RF remote. It works with everything Ape. This one's white. This is my first white one. It's a white remote. And I got this little bag of splitters here. I know this is for a charger. So, those over here. And see what is in this very well wrapped package. No, I didn't just stab myself in the stomach. That was an optical illusion. Didn't happen. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. Yes, I use my mouth. Yes, a dentist would be nice. All right, this looks like what I believe to be the charger for all this stuff. It's packed really well. Maybe unboxing videos just aren't my thing, right? Okay, yeah, here's the IAC cable. Here's the box itself. And I'm pretty confident this is a charger. So we open this box, this German designed box, and here it is. Okay, here's the charger for the lights, and then the splitter turns 2 of these into whatever it is, 6 of these, right? So that's what this splitter is for, so you can charge, you know, up to like 6 lights per charger kind of thing. And I only have, oh, these are more chargers. That's what these are. I'm pretty darn confident these are just more chargers. These boxes are identical. Maybe not though. Let's just open this one to see what it, oh, no, this is different. This is different. I don't know what this is. Oh! Okay. So, this is some kind of hardware to attach these lights to things, like perhaps tripods. So we have, looks like 6 of those, 1 for each light. There's 3 of them in this pack, and then in this pack there's another 3. Let's just open these up to make sure I'm not insane. I'm pretty confident that's what that is. How they work, I'm not sure. I don't have everything for the shipment, but when I do get them, we can put them all together and see how it all works. But yeah, that's gotta be what this is. It only makes sense. And they're wrapped very, very well. Man, these are wrapped well. It's crazy. Yep, there we go. So, there's my chaotic unboxing video of these tubes and a few accessories for them. As we get more stuff, we'll look at more stuff, like the tripods. And I know there's a carrying bag that's coming with these too. When it gets dark out, we'll turn them on and we'll play around with them a little bit. But they're interesting. I mean, they're heavy. They're a lot bigger than the old tubes I had, the little short ones. These are bigger. And they got a safety eye on top of them. And they're designed kind of like the Asteras to fit on top of a tripod. You can shine them out in your audience. It's a diffuse light with this kind of plastic filter here, so it's not blinding anybody, or it shouldn't blind anybody, and flicker free for photography. That is what I've been told. And we will look at all that stuff. Didn't seem fair to make you guys sit through that rather painful unboxing without showing you what these neon tubes were all about. And I don't know everything about them, but they're ape lights, and I kind of know how ape lights work. The one thing I've done here is I have assigned all of these to channel 4 on my remote control. The reason I've done that is because I've got ape lights running on my porch, and if I run them on channel 1, I'll screw those up, and I've got to fix those. I don't want to do that, so I'm on channel 4. So let's turn them on, and that's what you get. Now these, let's see, let's turn them up. Okay, it looks like those were on their lowest brightness, because that's, just for a point of reference, that's pretty bright right now. I'm lighting up the whole area, and they're in a kind of an icy blue right now. It's like a warm white. Of course, you can go through all the colors, just like you could all of the other ape lights to get an amber or whatever you're looking for. If I go all the way over to the far right on the remote control, I can play around with this dimmer a little bit, and I can make them chase colors. I could either speed that up or slow it down, like so. And the other thing I can do, which is fun, is put them into a music mode. Now, we're just going to deal with the sound of my voice right now, but this is how they work. When they hear sounds, be it highs, lows, mids, doesn't matter what, they act in this fashion. They kind of flash to the sound, whatever that sound happens to be. We will do a better video of this. I promise you, we will do a better video of this in the next few days. But I'm busy today, I got stuff to do. I just wanted to knock this out real quick and get it out to you. Oops. We've got more stuff coming. We've got tripods coming. that we can look at. We've got a carrying bag coming that we can look at. But for now, this is what we've got, and we'll have a deeper look, and we'll compare them to the old tubes, because I have old 1.0 tubes. They're smaller, and you can see the diodes in them. You can't see the diodes in these. These are what they call neon tubes. It's the same color top to bottom with no hot spots. So anyway, that's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.